The China's space plane that was launched for the third time just last week is reportedly sending signals to a hidden ground station or a ship near North America's west coast. Now, according to Scott Tilley, who's an astronomer, the uncrewed reusable Chinese plane seems to be sending some strong 228 megahertz frequency emissions when it was flying over British Columbia in Canada. The Chinese stealth plane is seen as a counterpart of the US military space plane, the X-37B. Satellite trackers around the world have in fact been following it very closely since it took off from the Gobi Desert just last Thursday. And according to Tilley and also a team in Switzerland that specializes in optical band space surveillance, the Thursday launch has put at least about 6 objects in a low Earth orbit around the Earth. Now, the objects include the space plane itself that was designated as Object A, and it appeared to be very bright with very stable altitude control. Now, Tilley further said that the plane most likely released a pair of satellites who have now been named as Object D and E that give off radio signals similar to Object A. And amongst them, Object B is said to have been very bright with a light curve indicating an upper stage rocket. The European team has written on the social media platform X that Objects C and F also seem to be like rocket debris since they were pretty dim and appeared to be tumbling. While the purpose of the satellite is still unknown, one possibility is that they were being used to test rendezvous and retrieval operations. Now, this is the third mission of the Chinese plane. Its 2-day maiden flight was back in 2020. A second flight lasted 9 months, and the plane reportedly released some unexplained objects in both these missions. Till date, there have been no official images or details of this plane. It is also not known as to how long will its current mission be. Meanwhile, the Boeing-built X-37B that has been shrouded in mystery since its debut in 2010 is waiting for a liftoff. It is scheduled to take off on a SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida on the 28th of December. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.